Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome to my midterm task project for ICT and AI in English language teaching. My name is Justika Davi Alafia, and today I will be exploring how we can leverage technology to make teaching and learning English more effective and engaging. In this video, I will first briefly explain my understanding of the role of ICT and AI in ELT. Then, I will introduce you to the ICT tool I've chosen, which is Canva, discussing its features and why it's suitable for the classroom. After that, I will give you a practical demonstration of how to use Canva to teach a specific language skills, in this case, writing. Finally, I will share my reflections on the benefits, challenges, and ethical consideration of using such a tool. Let's get started. The integration of information and communication technology or ICT and artificial intelligence or AI in English language teaching represents a paradigm shift from traditional teacher-centered to more dynamic student-centered learning environment. The theory, as we've learned, posits that these technologies are not just add-ons but powerful catalysts. They support constructivist learning, where students build knowledge through active creation and interaction. Tools can provide authentic audiences and multimodal resources, combining text, images, audio, and video, which cater to different learning styles and make language use feel more real and purposeful. Furthermore, AI-driven tools can offer immediate feedbacks and personalized learning paths, a concept known as differentiation, helping to address individual student needs at scale. Ultimately, the goal is to increase engagement, autonomy, and practical application of language skills. The specific tool I have chosen to focus on is Canva. While many think of it as a simple graphic design platform, it is a powerful ICT tool for education. Canva is a cloud-based drag and drop design platform. Its key features include an extensive library of templates for presentations, posters, infographics, videos, and much more. A massive stock of images, icons, and fonts. Its easy integration of audio and video, and most importantly, for education, real-time collaboration features that allow students to work together in the same project simultaneously. Now, let's talk about its application for language teaching, especially for writing. Now, let's talk about its application for Now, let's talk about its application for language teaching, especially for writing. So, the strength of Canva, the first is lowered effective filter. It makes writing visually appealing and less intimidating than a blank page. The second, project-based learning, it's perfect for creating final products like brochures, news reports, or comic strip, which contextualizes writing. The third is scaffolding. Templates provide structure, helping students organize their thoughts. And the following is engagement. The multimedia aspect encourages creativity and makes the learning process more fun. And the weakness of Canva, first, is distraction. The sheer number of design options can sometimes distract from the core writing task. And the second is internet dependency. It requires a stable internet connection. And the third, oversimplification. There is a risk that design might be prioritized over the content quality if it's not guided properly. Why I choose Canva for writing? I choose Canva because it transforms the often solitary and abstract task of writing into a collaborative, visual, and purposeful project. Students aren't just writing an essay, but they are designing a travel brochure or creating a digital poster. This provides a clear audience and purpose, which are crucial elements in modern writing in pedagogy. Now let me demonstrate how we can use Canva to teach descriptive writing. Let's imagine a classroom task where students have to describe a famous person. I will search for a template. Let's type biography in the search bar. I will choose the clean and modern one. Now here's the writing part. I will add a text box for the name and a short descriptive headline. This practice consists writing, for example, Maria Curie as a pioneer in the activity. Below that, I will add a larger text box for the body. Here, students must write a short biography. The limited space forces them to be selective with their vocabulary and practice summarizing skills. They can use powerful adjective and action verbs to make it engaging. Here, students are asked to make their short biography as interesting as possible. Students can also add some pictures to make their short biography look good looking. After editing, the students can download the works and to make it easy to share to their friends and to submit to the teacher. To conclude, working on this project has solidified my understanding that tools like Canva are invaluable for creating a modern, engaging ELT classroom. The benefits are clear: increased student motivation, the development of both digital and language literacies, and the facilitation of collaborative project-based learning. However, there are challenges. Teachers must provide clear guidelines to ensure the focus the focus remains on writing quality. Not all students have equal access to technology at home, which can create equity issues. Also, navigating a classroom of students working on different design elements requires careful management. This leads to ethical consideration. We must teach and enforce digital citizenship, respecting copyright by using Canva's built-in media or properly sourcing images. We must also be mindful of privacy, using pseudonyms for online work and ensuring a student's personal data is protected. Uh, it is crucial. In summary, when used thoughtfully, Canva is more than just a design tool. It's a gateway to making writing a dynamic, relevant, and collaborative 21st century skill. Thank you for watching. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.